Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today we're talking about the Solo Sprayer and why it's quickly become one of our favorite products here at Obsessed Garage. So simply put, the Solo Sprayer is a battery-powered sprayer. We've been using these and testing them for about a year now, and since we finally became a dealer, we're able to bring them to you. So what makes the Solo Sprayer so special? Well, for one, the efficiency and the utility of it is absolutely second to none. Admittedly, it doesn't look as sleek as something like a Pressol bottle, but you'll forget about all of that as soon as you have it in your hands. The T304 stainless steel button on the front is the first thing you'll notice when you pick up the Solo Sprayer. It's akin to something like a computer mouse, being very tactile and instantly responsive. Secondly, the consistency and the atomization of the spray is frankly incredible. Unlike a pump sprayer, this will never lose pressure and weaken as you spray. And lastly, the weighted tube is the cherry on top. It ensures that you can hold the bottle at any angle and it can still pick up all of the liquid. So what chemicals are we using with the Solo Sprayer? Well, the main three are drying aid, rinseless wash, and glass cleaner. Those are three chemicals that you're going to need a lot of coverage with, but you'll find yourself having to spray quite a bit. This removes any of that finger fatigue or having to repressurize your pump sprayer midway through the wash. You might be worried about battery life with the Solo Sprayer, but you absolutely don't need to be. Solo says that it's rated for 60 minutes of continuous spraying, and we have personally been using this bottle for over a year without charging it once. The internals of the Solo Sprayer comes with Viton seals, so it's chemically resistant specifically for acids or things with a pH lower than 7. All that really means is that you can use things like brake cleaners or all-purpose cleaners in the Solo Sprayer with no problem. That being said, the Solo Sprayer does not work as well with thicker liquids. So if you're going to use something like a brake buster, you'll want to dilute it slightly with water. The second you get the Solo Sprayer in your hands, you'll understand why we like it so much here at Obsessed Garage. It's not going to totally change the way you look at sprayers, but it's absolutely something I think you'll want to add to your detailing arsenal. As always, you can get the Solo Sprayer and the other sprayers mentioned on our website at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.